the 6 best exercises to reduce prostate enlargement. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about men's health, specifically enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH. An enlarged prostate can lead to uncomfortable urinary symptoms, but there are things you can do to help manage it. We'll be exploring 6 exercises that may help reduce prostate enlargement and improve your quality of life. Now let's dive into these exercises and see how they can make a difference.
First up, we have Kegel exercises. Now, you might have heard of these before, often associated with women's health, but they're equally important for men, especially for prostate health. Think of your pelvic floor muscles like a hammock that supports your bladder and other organs in that area. Kegels are all about strengthening those muscles. To do a Kegel, imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. That squeezing sensation? Those are your pelvic floor muscles working. Hold that contraction for a few seconds, then release. Aim for 10 to 15 reps, 3 to 4 times a day. And hey, stronger pelvic floor muscles can have some added benefits too, if you know what I mean.
Absolutely, Kegels are a game changer. Let's move on to our next exercise.
Next, let's talk about yoga. Yoga is a practice that connects your mind and body through a series of poses and controlled breathing. Some yoga poses can target and strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, similar to Kegels. But it's not just about muscle strength. Yoga is known for its stress-reducing benefits. Stress can actually worsen BPH symptoms. There are specific yoga poses that are particularly beneficial for prostate health, such as the hero pose or Viparita Karani, legs up the wall pose. These poses promote relaxation, improve blood circulation in the pelvic area, and can even help alleviate some of the discomfort associated with BPH. Remember, start slow and listen to your body.
Great advice, yoga can really make a difference. Now let's get moving with our next exercise.
Now, let's get that heart rate up with some aerobic exercise. We're talking brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, anything that gets you moving and breathing a little heavier. Aerobic exercise is fantastic for overall health, but it also plays a role in maintaining a healthy prostate. How? Well, for starters, it helps you maintain a healthy weight. Obesity has been linked to an increased risk of BPH, so staying active can help you manage your weight and potentially reduce that risk. Moreover, aerobic exercise improves blood flow throughout your body, including the pelvic area. This improved circulation can be beneficial for prostate health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise most days of the week. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine.
Excellent. Aerobic exercise is key. Let's keep the momentum going with our next exercise.
Chapter 4, Strength Training, Building a Strong Foundation.
Let's hit the weights. Strength training isn't just about building big muscles. It's about building a strong foundation for overall health. And yes, that includes prostate health.
Studies have shown that men who engage in regular strength training tend to have lower levels of PSA or prostate-specific antigen, a marker that can indicate prostate problems. Strength training helps boost your metabolism, which can aid in weight management, another factor that can impact prostate health. Incorporate strength training exercises that target major muscle groups, such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows. Start with a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain good form.
And let's not forget the confidence boost that comes with feeling strong and fit.
Chapter 5, Core Strength Training, Supporting from Within.
Now let's talk about your core, the powerhouse of your body. A strong core is essential for good posture, balance, and stability.
Think of your core muscles as a natural corset that supports your entire midsection, including your pelvic floor. When your core is weak, it can put extra pressure on your pelvic floor muscles and the surrounding organs, including the prostate. By strengthening your core, you're essentially giving your prostate a helping hand. Some effective core exercises include planks, bridges, leg raises, and Russian twists. A strong core not only benefits your prostate, but also improves your overall athletic performance and reduces the risk of back pain.
It's a win-win situation.
Chapter 6. Flexibility exercises, maintaining range of motion.
Last but not least, let's not forget about flexibility. While it might not directly target the prostate, Maintaining good flexibility is crucial for overall mobility and can indirectly benefit your pelvic health.
This tension can radiate to the surrounding areas, including your pelvic floor. By incorporating regular flexibility exercises such as stretching or yoga, you can help improve blood circulation, reduce muscle tension, and maintain a healthy range of motion. Focus on stretches that target your hips, hamstrings, and lower back. Hold each stretch for at least 30 seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing into the pose.
Be patient with yourself and strive for gradual improvement over time. So there you have it, 6 exercises that can make a world of difference for your prostate health. Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises a regular part of your routine, and you'll be well on your way to a happier, healthier you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos.